What are we doing, girls?
We're going in a car wash, and this is... I do not like this at all.
Oh God. Here we go. This is a perfect song because it's raindrops.
Oh God.
Please be like...
My butt's wet! So Griffin, stop! This is gonna be a fun car ride home. Oh God, it's coming back. No!
Yeah.
Wait, what's going?
Back there.
Girls, can you talk about what's going on?
She's
rolling
opening
down
the windows when the water's... Okay.
Don't do it! You're good! You're already wet!
I want to be more! Shut up. I'm scared. Do you see those gigantic things right there? Those are water. See that? See? The water sprays out of those little yellow things. Oh, it's just a mist. It's just a mist.
Oh, your car
Thanks
is
for
like...
flinging me with your hair in my eyeball. Stop it!
What is it?
Do girls like the car wash? Do girls like the car wash?
No.
I kind of... No. I kind of
My
did.
pants are wet. My other butt cheek over here is wet. Shut up. I'm like you wet. Oh God. oh, I want the air. You're like freaking hair model.
This should be funny.
Ah! Stop it! Stop it!
Alright, hair looks so big.
It wasn't funny as I thought.
What? Oh my God. Oh my God, it's coming back. Oh.
Have you ever done that before, Shiloh?
No.
Was it fun?
My mouth is really dry now. Oh God.